Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix sounds problem on your batteries app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can fix that problem. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here. In this window, then you just go down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps window here, and you just go down here to look for Pinterest app. In this window, then you just click here on Pinterest and you come to app info here in this window, then you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you just go down, then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window and you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.